Hi, everyone, and thanks, Paul, for the invitation and the introduction. So I am Frederick Baez, the Managing Director of Blue Hydraulics. So Blue Hydraulics is a hydraulics supplier based in the northeast of England. The business started trading in 2017 and rapidly grew thanks to our technical skills, our innovative thinking, and our ability to deliver a complete solution for hydraulics. Over time, our reputation has grown in the marine and offshore industry, where we have collaborated with most of the market leaders. We design and manufacture complete systems such as hydraulic power units, valve control systems, and piping solutions. And we also resell hydraulic components from our partners. Our most popular products are power units. So we have three main designs: a light-duty compact range with a stainless steel enclosure, a heavy-duty range with the NV crash frame, and a 20-foot containerized version for larger units. So all our designs are tailored to meet the offshore and marine specification, thanks to corrosion protection and special features. Our valve control manifold and control console offer high performance and reliability in a very compact design, reducing the pipework and the associated risk of leaks. And finally, our pipework solutions using either welded or weld-free technology and complying to all the offshore standards with high level of testing and certification. In addition to the system we manufacture, we also stock, resell, and install or repair components from our partners. You may recognize some of the industry leaders like Rexroth, Sun, or Parker. Our services cover all our customer needs, from the design, manufacture, testing, and installation, to any after-sales support, either onshore or offshore, such as maintenance, circuit cleaning and flushing, or mobilization of rental equipment, such as our oil dewatering units that you can see in red in the picture. This is a brief overview of three innovative solutions that we have or we are implementing in the offshore industry. The first one being the weld-free piping solution, such as Geomac or Parker IO2, which became the industry standard thanks to faster installation, more reliable technology with soft seal, and obviously simpler, cleaner methods, which do not require welding, acid cleaning, or NDT, reducing the possibility of failure and the management of documentation. Our standard HPUs, with modular design certified by DNV, reduce significantly the front-end engineering and therefore the costs and project lead time. So these two are units we just delivered for SMD for A-frames and ROV systems. And finally, our Industry 4.0 solution, which consists of monitoring the health system with a range of connected sensors to predict component failures and avoid machinery breakdown. So that's it. Thank you.